Welcome to Zero Alpha. The first step to recovering data from a water damaged iPhone is to disassemble a phone and inspect what damage has occurred. This involves us removing the logic board, removing protective shields, and investigating the damage under microscope. What we usually see is a level of corrosion that has occurred to the circuit board components and microchips. Depending on the type of liquid, how much has entered the phone and how long it's been there determines how badly damaged the phone will be. Do not leave your phone sitting in rice, as the longer you leave it, the more corrosion will continue to occur, just like you see in this example. After a physical clean, we place the logic board in an ultrasonic cleaner with special solvents at a desired temperature and duration. You can see that all corrosion has now been removed. A final liquid dispersing agent is used before it's moved on to be dried. After the circuit board components are tested and reworked if necessary, then it's time to reassemble the phone for data recovery. We power up the phone and wait hopefully for the Apple logo. Now it's time to copy the data off the phone and return it to the customer.